Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Jpay account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Jpay app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on the sign-in page itself. So here you'll have to enter your email address in this section and then also enter your password. After entering your correct email address and your password, tap on the login button. Upon entering the correct credentials, within a few seconds time, you'll get logged into your own Jpay account and you'll have the ability to send money to a trust account, to send and receive emails, photos, e-cards and videograms. So this is basically how it works. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to log into your own Jpay account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.